Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. Look who I got here. Rob Appell.
Good morning, everybody.
And you guys know, he shows up rarely, but it's usually for us to get together with our buddy Andrew. We're going to Coosa Mountain Lodge in Dahlonega, Georgia for a quilt retreat. It's not our retreat, we were invited, so we're just gonna go bomb out the place, okay? No worries though.
You don't mean that for real, do you?
No, we're gonna have a good time.
Oh, okay, got it. I'm
James,
comfortable again.
James,
right?
at Crafty
Elk Lodge.
Don't worry, James. We love you, man.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back. But we got invited to this, so we're just gonna go there, have a good time, do some.
We're gonna share a machine. We're gonna make. We're gonna try to make ourselves sew and not goof off the whole time. So we figure we have two machines for the
I'm
three
gonna
of us.
goof off the whole time. Okay?
I gotta sew. I'm behind.
he's got work to do. As you can see, I might be working on something as well, but I'll slide in the machine whenever he's out shooting his Nerf guns and stuff. Then I'll slide in. Nerf guns is what we do. It's a requirement for our retreats, but we're gonna try to introduce it to other retreats.
That's right.
So we're about to get on the road. By the time you get this, we'll probably be there. I'll get plenty of content. My wife said get the content or don't come home. So that's what I'll do.
I would just skip the content, but wait.
No. He's got a support staff.
Right.
I know.
Right.
I only have my wife. My wife's the producer, director. I'm just the talent in front of the quilts, I guess.
That's right.
So remember Sony Fabric, Sony Thread, or how do you win yours?
Stay well.
Stay well. That's it.